Hey everyone, welcome back. Have you ever stood at the register, debit card in hand, only to have it declined even though you just checked your balance and know there's money in there? It's super frustrating and can happen to anyone. In today's video, we're diving into the common reasons why your debit card might get declined despite having sufficient funds. Let's break it down step by step. First off, one of the top culprits is something called a hold on your funds. For example, when you swipe your card at a gas pump or book a hotel, the merchant might place a temporary hold that's larger than your actual purchase. This ties up your money temporarily, making it look like you don't have enough for other transactions. It's not that your money is gone, it's just reserved. Another reason could be daily spending limits set by your bank. Many banks impose these to protect you from fraud, so even if you have the cash, you might hit your limit for the day. For instance, if your daily cap is $500 and you've already spent $400, that next purchase could be blocked. Then there's fraud detection. Banks use sophisticated algorithms to spot unusual activity. If you're traveling or making bigger than normal purchases, your card might get flagged and declined until you verify it's you. This is actually a good thing for security, but it can be inconvenient. Don't forget about technical glitches or errors. Sometimes, it's as simple as a network issue between your bank and the merchant, or maybe your card details are outdated, like an expired card or a wrong PIN entry. Plus, if there's a problem on the merchant's end, like their payment system being down, your transaction could fail. To avoid these headaches, always keep an eye on your account, set up transaction alerts, and contact your bank if something seems off. Remember, if your card is declined, it doesn't always mean you're out of money. Just take a deep breath and troubleshoot. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.